welcome you and our special guests. Kira has worked really hard in this room with me to read about wolves, and she is so excited to share with you all that she learned. So I'm going to let her go ahead and get started. Go ahead, Kira.
Today I will share my pen study on wolves with you. I picked wolves because I like them and think they're beautiful and cute animals. First I read a lot of books on wolves. Next I wrote what these are 6 facts. After Miss Malkin typed them up, I cut them out and glued them into my book. Then I found pictures on the internet and drew some of my own. Now I am going to share my book with you. Wonderful Wolves by Kira Goff. This book is dedicated to my mom because she's an author and I want to be with my mom when I grow up. Oh, wolves! Timber wolves can also be called gray wolves. They live by forests and mountains. In North America, most packs go up to 5 to 10 wolves. In effect, the alpha wolves are the lead dogs. Wolves howl to communicate. Wolf pups communicate by licking their father's lips. Wolves can eat elk, moose, deer, bison, and reindeer. Some animals can protect themselves. An elk uses its antlers. To get out of their dens, there are 2 entrances. Gray wolves live in the wild of Canada, South Europe, and Asia. Wolves have thick fur. Their eyes are golden yellow. Wolf pups' eyes turn golden yellow, gold, or orange when they are all grown up. Their teeth are used as weapons. To get their prey, they use their eyes, ears, and nose. They have wings now. Wolves can be all different colors. They can be white, black, gray, or red. Wolves have big ears, which help them hear things from far away.
Okay, Kira drew some of those. Do you see those? Show them carefully those pictures you drew. Aren't those beautiful?
Wolves can run fast, even in snow. The canines use their 2 engines. Gray wolves are in danger. That means that there aren't so many to like wolves. Wolves make a lot of different sounds. Wolves whimper, growl, bark, and even squeak, and howl. When the adult wolves go hunting, a different adult goes to babysit the pups, since the pups are not old enough yet. 2 kinds of wolves live in North America, which are the gray wolf and the red wolf. Baby wolves are called pups. An alpha female usually has 6 wolf pups at a time. When the pups are 8 weeks old, they can eat meat. The pups are ready to hunt in the fall. They all hunt in the pack. Wolves can die because they are too old, too young, sick, or from hunger. They can also die from animals killing them or from people killing them. the wolves lived. They learned to build on the land, live on the land, and make bones up on it. The wolves didn't have too many places to live. Wolves were in danger. Now gray wolves are safe because scientists studied where wolves lived, what they ate, and where they traveled. They put some wolves in Yellowstone National Park so people could hear and see the wolves. Wolves are carnivores. It means they eat meat. Wolves bury their prey when they are done eating. They come back to eat more when they are hungry. The end.
Very good. So read your about the author.
Kira Dahl loves to write about Paw Patrol, fairy tales, and wolves. She lives in Libertyville, Illinois. Kira enjoys reading, drawing, coloring, dancing, and playing soccer. She loves dolphins and wolves. She lives with her mom, dad, and her brother.
Oh, wow.
Good job.
Wasn't that beautiful? She did such a good job. Now, I bet she can take the book back to class, and maybe, you know, you can show some pictures under the document camera, or
So we can see closer.
yeah, so you can see, because she has some hand-drawn pictures, and then she found other pictures on the internet, which is really neat. She's got great pictures, and so many great facts. I bet you can't remember them all, so you can take
That
it back
was
to the room.
awesome. Boys and girls, what do we always tell our powerful thinkers? Tell Kira.
Powerful thinking!
That was so spectacular.
Really great job. Thank you. Thank you all for coming. Yeah,
Thank
did a
you,
great
friends.
job.
Terry wants to bring that back with you, and we can share it. Maybe can she bring it back in on Tuesday, and we can share it that way, since I'm assessing students right now. Is that okay?
It's fine.
Oh, wonderful.